Hello, my name is Calvert Mata, and I'll be presenting a slideshow today for a group. Compilation errors. We'll talk about compilation errors for a little bit. Type of errors. There are two types of errors in Oracle PL/SQL. There are compilation errors, runtime errors, also exceptions. Compilation errors are generally typing errors. The parsing of your PL/SQL text into a set of interpreted instructions. No on-speed code finds lexical errors. Lexical errors occur when you misuse a delimiter identifier or any other kind of comments and misuse lexical units. And by forgetting a semicolon or forgetting using one delimiter when you need to use two of them, misspelling, committing a lexical commenting out a lexical value when required by parsing rules. There are three general patterns for errors. Prior to the line point to an error on the prior statement line, which is generally a missing statement terminator. Current line of error point to a colon of the error or one column after the error. The difference generally means that the parser is looking for a missing lexical unit. Declaration errors point to any failure in the declaration block, and generally have actual errors line as the last line of the error message. During this compilation process, the compiler will actively check the PL/SQL program for any syntax or syntactic failures. Right here, it's telling you have an error, and it's giving you a warning for that compiling error. Right here, you have a create procedure here, and then you have here, this is probably not an error, this is probably an error outright. So it's giving you the error here, it's giving you, they have a warning, and it shows you here in the line 4 that it should be expecting one of the followings here. In this example, the following program should print out hello world message, but it fails to compile because it's missing a statement terminator on line 2. So database output line hello world, and then as we can see, it's missing the semicolon, and then it tells you here it's missing this guy here, so it's going to give you an error. This is our presentation. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye.